Hello students, welcome back to Chemistry with Sumana ma'am. I have completed the concepts from the chapter Carbon and its Compounds. Today I'll be moving to the next chapter from class 10 Science CBSE textbook, that is Periodic Classification of Elements. You're all aware that we need so many elements in our daily life. So far, there are 118 elements known to us, out of which only 94 occur naturally. And out of that 118 elements, 92 elements are metals and 20 of them are non-metals and 6 of them are metalloids. In this chapter, you will learn about how elements were classified earlier, why classification is essential. Then you will also learn about some of the trends in modern periodic table. Let me move to the next topic. What do you mean by classification in general? What is it? Yes, many places, like you have seen in malls, if you go, you want to buy some dress material. The dresses are sorted in an order: girls section, boys section. If you go to a pharmacy, medicines are also classified alphabetically. In biology also you have learnt organisms are classified into living and non-living. It is also grouped into plant and animal kingdom. If you go to the library, you will see books are also sorted in a particular order, like novels, fiction, short stories, etc. This is some example that I have cited to know where classification is utilized. Now, what is classification? It is nothing but grouping of objects or items based on similarity in properties. So here in this chapter also you will learn how elements are classified, why elements are classified. Is there any advantage of classifying elements? Of course, we can save a lot of our time if we get things in a classified manner. It is easy to study about the elements and it avoids a lot of confusion. So there are basically 3 advantages of classification. One is it makes our study easier, it saves our time, and it avoids confusion. Now let's see in this chapter how scientists attempted classifying elements to make the study of these elements easier in future. The first attempt of classification of elements was done by Lavoisier. What was his classification? He just divided them into metals and non-metals. During his time, only 30 elements were known. He classified them into metals and non-metals. But there was one drawback. As years passed, more and more elements were discovered, and some of the elements could not be fit into his classification. For example, elements like metalloids. He could not place them in metals group or in non-metals group. So that classification was not much famous among the scientists, but it was first of its kind that was done by Lavoisier to classify elements. So in this chapter, that is periodic classification of elements, you will learn the attempts made by many scientists to classify elements and their advantages as well as any drawbacks or demerits of classification. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.